Yo, 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 I'm back. It's been like 2 years that I got me a new one, but I'm back. We about to go outside. Me and Austin Watkins go at him. He has a photo of him.
Yeah, see, I'm the man behind the camera.
Yep, and we about to go and break us some phones.
See, I'm helping Cody with his video. Me and him already did a video on my channel. So,
I'm put the link in the description where it uploads, so.
I'm gonna kind of shout myself out here. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel to see mine and his collab video we did. My YouTube channel is Austin Watkins. I have 261 subs. Go, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Cody Taylor. Subscribe to his channel. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel and turn on post notifications for future videos so you get it every time he uploads. Anyway, guys, back to Cody. So we're gonna
destroy.
Y'all
know what I be doing.
We're gonna destroy these phones.
Right, go outside my truck. I gotta put me in there.
Hey, Cody. Cody, I'll be back. I'll grab something.
All right.
I'm taking the phone with me.
All right.
I'll be back. Alright, guys, so I'm taking over Cody's camera from now, but you know what he doesn't know is that, so where is it? That I have some little something. Where I put it? Where's it at? Where's it at? It's down here. Here it is. Oh, let me fix this mess, guys. This is my room. Kind of in a mess right now. I'm gonna sit y'all down for a minute. Okay. So I got a hammer, and here's my dog Miko. Let me bring my cell phone. Here's our dog Miko. Hey Miko, what's up, buddy? Got a hammer to destroy the phones with. Gotta be quiet. Gotta be quiet. Out here. Because my nanny and Paul are sleeping right in there. So you got to be very, very quiet. Because we're hunting rabbits.
What in the heck is that? Why, bro?
Quit messing with the trucking. Here. Turn it off! Stop! Cut it off! Stop! Here! Now cut it off!
I started off. Get me a no fat lipper.
If Nanny and Paul come out here, you know, I'm gonna tell them I'm filming your video, so. What you dipping on there, buddy?
Grizzly wintergreen. Wish I had me some damn coat. Damn, I'm about out. Oh, damn bitch, man.
How is your camera better than my phone camera? Like, I don't get it. Like, yeah.
I'll trade with you.
No, I'm good. I'll keep my phone.
Alright, hey man, you need something to put on real quick?
No, I don't need cologne. You took my bod, man. Hey, Dad.
This was Daniel's. He gave it to him.
I have some bod in my bag.
He gave it to him.
I have some.
But,
well, never mind. It's in my bag, I think. Let's get this car and let's destroy these phones. Come on. Alright, guys. So these are the three phones Cody plans on destroying here.
Yeah, I found on the side of the road.
Let's see. Old flip phones. LG, Motorola, LG.
And follow me. There's another one too.
And then this is also an LG. So.
I found it on the side of the road. Well, not on the side of the road. I found it down the river. Hey, yo. After I took it to the phone, go in there and get your BB gun.
We can't shoot BB guns out here while they're sleeping. We're not even supposed to be outside, so.
No, I got one down in here somewhere.
What the heck is this, dude?
I have no idea, man.
What's the old school phone?
Yeah, bro. Alright, let's roll. Hey, yo, let down my tailgate, homie.
What? Hold up. No, don't hammer on the tailgate.
Yeah, I am.
No, don't, because you're going to wake the neighbors up. Do it on the ground. Or the dirt road. But pick up the mess. It's coming up a thunderstorm out here, fellas. Hey, toss one down. Let me destroy one right quick.
Hold these three for a minute.
All right, pick up the phone and throw it in the back of your truck.
Nah, I ain't done with it yet. Where's that damn hammer?
Here, hold on.
Now we're back in this damn big boy.
Hold these. I'm about to destroy one. I want to use the hammer right quick. Pick up the mess, dude. For real. We're doing a destruction video out here in the middle of the... Well, that didn't take much. Okay, let's put the back. Aww. Shush!
Oh, let me see a screen, homie. Feels cracked. Alright, bro, let me see it, bro. Alright, nah, bro, it ain't cracked. Bruh. Oh, shit. Okay, get the damn screen.
Yeah, excuse the gnats. That happens when you live down in the south. There you go. All these phone pieces. The battery. Cell phone battery. And stuff.
I need the internal plates out of it. Let's go. So that go right there.
Well, you can do it after the video.
Alright.
We still got another phone to destroy, I think.
Oh, there's two more.
There's two more?
Yep. I got old school.
There's the old school. Hey man, don't let that go in that man's yard. Cody, get it. Bring it back over here.
Damn, I just now fuck this son damn bitch up, bro.
Alright, I think that's good enough.
So,
It's 10:24.
yep, it's good enough now.
What's that?
Yeah, homie.
Let's see.
Dude, I ain't uploaded damn shit in like a damn year, bro. What the hell, man?
Oh, he's making a comeback after a year from uploading.
Well, I only had 3 on here. I started it like two years ago, and then you know how I quit. on that one, and I started up a new one. Tried dipping channel, and then that one got busted. So I started doing, you know, like vlogs on that one. Nah, you back my damn foot. Hell nah, bitch. Oh hell no.
Alright, we better stop before neighbors come out here. Yeah, let's stop before neighbors come out.
Oh, let's get the and turn plate right here. Hit it once right there and then twice right there.
Why don't we just...
Mm-hmm. That's what I need right there, boys. Look at that. Gold. Holy shit, look at this damn screen, bro. It's just not damn cutting, bro.
Alright, well, let's go put all the trash up and then you can do your outro. It's been going on for 11 minutes now. Alright guys, you can see all the carnage here from all these cell phones.
They don't mind other damn junk, bro. Alright, but
Alright, let's do your outro.
we're gonna start doing like some more random shit. We're gonna start going to abandoned places and like exploring and shit, you know.
Okay guys, tomorrow me and Cody are gonna do another collab at night. We're gonna explore some chicken houses at night.
3 a.m.
No, the barn will be 3 a.m. We're gonna do 2 videos tomorrow night though.
Oh yeah, but I won't be in one of them because I gotta go to church. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one in the daytime with chicken
And
houses.
at night we're gonna do
And before we go to the barn and do a 3 a.m. challenge,
we're gonna do one.
We're gonna do one of the chicken coops, chicken houses.
But if you like the video, subscribe, like it, turn my post notifications, bitch, and remember 4185. Keep it freaking hillbilly.